Hello everyone and welcome to Vizrt Tuesday Tutorials. My name is Richard Evans. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in, legends. Today I'd like to take a look at how to assign sources manually on the Viz Connect audio hardware. Now I've shown how you can do this via the administrator panel in other videos, but there's a quick and easy way to assign those signals without having to log into the admin panel. A few knob twists and clicks and you're off and running. Simple, but effective. So, let me show you how it's done, son. All right. So, I have my Viz Connect audio here on my desk. Let's go ahead and zoom into the portions of the hardware that we'll be working with today. So, you'll see right now, I don't have anything going on. We're about to change that. Okay, so like I said before, what you can do is log into the system via the admin panel just by typing in the IP address or using Studio Monitor to do this. But if you're right in front of this unit and you want to get to those settings quickly, I'm going to show you how it's done, son. So what we're going to do first is I'm going to click on the Setup button here, like so. And then you'll see you have options in here for your channels, network, and admin. We're going to focus on channels today, so let's click on channels simply by clicking on this big knob here on the left. All right, so now you have your inputs 1 through 8 here, and then also your outputs A, output B, headphones, etc. Okay, so let's go ahead and I'm going to use this and turn it all the way until I get to output A, like so. And now if I click on that, this will give me some different options here. So from here, what I can do is, let me click on, right now you see that it says source is none. And if I click on this, this now gives me access to all of the different pieces of hardware that are broadcasting, or software, that are broadcasting over NDI on my network. So I got a lot of them in here, so I'm just gonna scroll all the way down until I find the system that I wanna use. There we go, my NC201. Click on that, all right. And from here, let's go ahead and hit back, and I'll go back to the main menu here. Actually, if I hit this button up here at the top above setup, this will take me all the way back to my main menu. And now you'll see that I have my output A is bringing in, taking out that source to the A outputs on the back of the system. Okay, so from here, so you gotta get the idea. You can do this also with your B outputs and also your headphone outputs as well. But one more thing, let's take a look. So I'll get back to that menu again, click on Setup, go to Channels, and I'm going to go on input number 1. I currently don't have any audio sources plugged into it, but this will give you an idea of how to work it. So you'll see here that I have options here now. If I go to the level side of things, I can either assign that to be line level audio or mic level audio. I'm going to leave that as mic. And then also I can go to phantom power, and that gives me an option to turn that on, like so. Boom. So now I have phantom power going on that particular input as well. Okay, and then again, I can just go to the back button and go all the way back menu by menu if I want to get straight just to the channels here, or again, hit this top button above setup, and that'll take me back to my main menu. Cool. And from there, you are off and running. So a lot of cool things you can do with this. This is a simple and easy way to get a hold of those different settings directly on the panel without having to get into the administrator mode. So I highly recommend playing around with this. And of course, have some fun. Woo! Hey, there you have it. Another cool and easy way to use the Viz Connect audio. Now, for more tutorial videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to the Vizrt YouTube channel at youtube.com/VizRTofficial. And for formalized Vizrt product training, sign up for Viz University, available at vizrt.com/community/viz-university. And you can find more information about Vizrt products and services by contacting your local Vizrt partner or checking out our website, vizrt.com. And if you are posting your work using Vizrt products on social media, make sure that you tag us using the hashtags Vizrt, TriCaster, or Viz Connect Audio. We see all of these posts. Keep it up, legends. You're doing a great job. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you again real soon for another episode of Vizrt Tuesday Tutorials.